So in this video I will share a tutorial how to change DPI on Infinix Smart 8 cell phone. Okay, so let's get started. Follow the step and don't skip anything. Okay, in the first step you can open the setting menu and then go to the my phone like this, and you can go to the build number, and here you just tap it about 7 times until you have a developer like this. You are already a developer, and then go back and go to the system. So there is the filter is at the bottom. You can open it and you can scroll down until you find the minimum weight, or here is appear smallest weight. You can tap on it and you can change it as you want, and usually some people setting about 400 until 500 to smooth the use of the screen when playing a game. And here I just wanna change to the 500 like this, and you can see the text on the phone will be tiny like this. So that's why we don't need to set it into the highest number, because the letter will be very small if the number are too big. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.